This is Columbia County, with a population of over 125,000 residents and approximately 30,000 domesticated dogs and cats. You may wonder who is responsible for overseeing the care and control of so many animals. The handful of animal control professionals at Columbia County Animal Services are dedicated people who have professed their lives to animal welfare and enforcement of county ordinance. Every member of our staff has their own special responsibility to ensure that our goal of providing quality customer service and quality care for all animals in Columbia County is fulfilled. It may be an office clerk who dispatches calls to the animal control officers who speak with the owners of animals and are also the ones who impound the animals with no owner, to the kennel technicians who care for the homeless animals in the county's custody until they can be adopted out. Our trained and dedicated animal control officers and staff are also charged with the control of wild animals such as pigs, horses, snakes, cows, fish, and every other type of animal. One common interest we all share is that we love working in an unpredictable environment. We never know what call will come across the radio next, whether it be a vicious canine at a school or a hoarder with over 100 cats in their home. We are always ready and available when these situations arise. It takes a lot of compassion to profess your career to caring for animals, as we are the voices for those who cannot speak.
Dispatch to 309. Respond to 4785 Hereford Farm Road. 4785 Hereford Farm Road. 1025, you're complainant in the front office in reference to a rattlesnake.